Hi Chatterfoxes! Do you want to sound more natural when you speak American English? In this video, you're going to learn 5 phrases to help you sound more natural and also how to pronounce them even better than a native. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also be sure to watch to the end of this video for a special chance to practice your English. So the first expression is a no-brainer. A no-brainer means a super easy decision. So, for example, if you get a job offer for a job that pays a lot more money, you can say that's a no-brainer. When you're pronouncing the word brainer, make sure you make the A sound, which is a 2-part sound. A, brainer, no-brainer. Brainer, brainer. Great. The next expression is to keep the ball rolling. To keep the ball rolling means to continue something. If you feel like something, maybe a project or something else that you've been working on, has stopped but needs to continue, you can do something to keep the ball rolling. Keep the ball rolling. So when you say this phrase, the L at the end of ball and the R at the beginning of rolling will link these 2 words together. Keep the ball rolling. Because the L and R sound are so similar, they link together. Keep the ball rolling. Ball rolling. Keep the ball rolling. Great. The next phrase is the jury's still out. The jury's still out. The jury's still out means that something is still undecided. So, for example, if someone asks, do people in the United States love the president? Someone may say, well, the jury's still out because there's some disagreement about that. The jury's still out. When you say the jury's still out, the S at the end of juries will link to still because they both have the S sound. The jury's still out. The jury's still out. So it's not the jury's still out. The 2 sounds link together. The jury's still out. Great. The next phrase is a loose cannon. A loose cannon is an unpredictable person. A loose cannon. So if you know someone who's unpredictable but not in a good way, you can say he's a loose cannon or she's a loose cannon. Loose cannon. When you say the word cannon, the stress is on the first syllable and the second syllable has a schwa sound. Cannon, cannon, cannon. She's a loose cannon. He's a loose cannon. Great. And the last word is rise and shine. To rise and shine means to wake up excited and ready for the day. Rise and shine. When you say rise and shine, the and reduces to a n sound. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. So now that you know what that means, I have a question for you. Do you like to rise and shine or do you prefer to sleep in? Tell us your opinion in the comments section below. Can't wait to hear from you. Great job. Now you're already on your way to speaking English better than a native. But you know what's even more important than using these American expressions? Using correct pronunciation. So visit us at the link in the description to check out our fluency program and subscribe to our channel to start speaking better than a native today.